disconnected.
Okay, well, let's see what this thing can do. That's the top I'm going to get out of it is 75, and that's out kind of a downhill grade. It's not a big downhill, but it's flat across the bottom and downhill grade to it, so that's about it. You might go downhill a little more and get some more out of it, but so the top speed is not great. And the RPMs, you can see what they was. I mean, it was up there pretty good, so I mean, it's plenty for I need. I'll never go that fast anyway, only to do that test, but that's all she wrote, boys. That's all I can get out of it. Of course, if you're lighter weight than me and a little thinner, maybe that'll help. Thank you guys for watching this video. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.